Hi there viewers, we all know that medical conditions and other similar issues cause hair loss. But, do you know that there are a few bad habits that can also cause hair loss problem? You may have not taken these habits too seriously before, but to prevent hair loss you need to avoid these habits. But before that, make sure to subscribe to Million Habits Mix. Have a look. There are many forms of hair loss. At times, male pattern baldness happens because of a few medical reasons. In other cases, the hair may break, become thinner and eventually fall because of the way you treat it. Different types of bad hair habits can result in balding in some form or another. Luckily, this sort of balding is normally temporary and can be turned around once you end the habit. Let's take a look at some habits that are bad for your habit. 1. Tight hairstyles. When you pull your hair backwards to make a tight braid, bun or ponytail, you're probably going to experience something more than just a headache because of the weight of the style. Your hair follicles are sensitive things, and always putting strain or weight on them can result in extreme damage. Over and over wearing a tight style can add to something referred as traction alopecia, or male pattern baldness caused by pulling on the follicles. 2. Pulling your hair. Constant pulling or picking at your hair can also result in male pattern baldness. At times, individuals have a wild urge to pull on their hair. The problem is called as trichotillomania, and its seriousness can extend from gentle and scarcely visible to extremely serious. So, stop pulling your hair constantly. 3. Shampooing with extremely hot water. When weather is cold, then an extremely hot, steamy shower may appear like an extraordinary idea. However, water that is too hot can do severe harm to your hair, making it weak and more prone to breakage. The hot water washes out excessively the hair's protective sebum, and can harm the follicles and pores on your head. 4. Styling wet hair. Your hair is more delicate when it's quite wet. That implies combing it, brushing it or rubbing a towel over it directly after you come out of the shower can bring harm and baldness. To limit harm, you need to wait until your hair has dried a bit before brushing or combing it. 5. Skipping meals. Skipping meals or eating less nutritious food might not appear like a bad hair habit. However, if you don't get enough protein or specific vitamins, the health of your hair can become worse. Luckily, baldness caused by nutritional problems is reversible. Consult your doctor about your hair loss problem, and if your baldness is beyond the scope of reversing, then you can opt for hair transplant. 6. Scratching your scalp. You elders may have told you not to scratch your hair too much. Guess what? They were right. Moving, or scratching your fingernails over a scalp may or may not provide relief. But, it will surely damage the roots of your hair, increasing the chances of hair fall. If your head is itchy, science articles, then wash it by using a good quality shampoo or take prescribed medicine for dandruff problem. Would you consider avoiding any of them after watching this video? Let us know in the comments below. I love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Million Habits Mix for more videos coming. Thanks for watching.